In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic feature that can help tailor your meeting experience based on your preferences and needs. Let's dive right in. First, you need to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. In this toolbar, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, which is often referred to as the More Actions icon. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click the More Actions icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Apply Layout or sometimes just Meeting Layout. This option allows you to change how the meeting participants and content are displayed on your screen. Now let's explore the available layout options you can choose from. The first option is Gallery. The gallery view is the standard grid layout showing multiple participants on the screen at the same time. This is great for smaller groups where you want to see everyone at once. If you're in a larger meeting, you might prefer the large gallery option. This layout is designed to show up to 49 participants at once, which is particularly useful for bigger meetings where it's important to see as many faces as possible. Next, we have Together mode. This unique option places all participants into a shared virtual environment. It visually assembles everyone in the meeting as if they were in the same room, which can create a more united and engaging experience. Another choice is Focus mode. In this layout, all participant videos and chat features are hidden, allowing you to concentrate solely on the content being shared. Perfect for presentations or when focusing on a document is crucial. To change your layout, just click on the one you want. Teams updates it instantly, so you can immediately see how it looks. It's important to note that while these changes are quick and flexible during live meetings, the available layouts might vary depending on the size of the meeting and whether participants have their videos on. Now that you know how to change layouts in Microsoft Teams, you can make your meetings even more effective and tailored to your needs. Whether you prefer more interaction with larger groups or want to minimize distractions for focused work, choosing the right layout can really enhance your virtual meeting experience. Make the most of these features and enjoy your next Microsoft Teams meeting with the perfect setup for you. Happy